Welcome to Cedar Landings Townhomes, our newest low-maintenance community right here in Leesburg, Florida. Surrounded by natural beauty, local charm, and incredible conveniences, Cedar Landings offers an exceptional opportunity to own brand new construction in a location that truly has something for everyone. Here at Cedar Landings, you'll find two beautifully designed homes, the Biscayne and the Amelia. These thoughtful layouts feature large kitchen islands, 42-inch cabinets, and all appliances included, making your home move-in ready from day one. You'll also have the option for a 2-car garage, giving you plenty of parking and storage space to fit your lifestyle. Inside, each floor plan offers bright, open spaces perfect for hosting, cooking together, or simply relaxing. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, downsizing, or looking for something with less maintenance and more convenience, these homes are designed to live comfortably and efficiently. Cedar Landings is more than just a place to live. It's a community built for connection and fun. You'll enjoy resort-style amenities, including a zero-entry pool with a covered cabana, 2 dog parks, a playground, and a 1-acre multi-purpose field with benches. When it comes to location, you're perfectly positioned. Cedar Landings sits just minutes from the Florida Turnpike, making your commute to Orlando, Ocala, and surrounding areas easy and direct. Whether you're heading to work, hopping on a flight, or planning a weekend adventure, convenience is built in. Looking for live music? The Villages is close by and offers free nightly entertainment. Or head over to Mount Dora to grab a bite to eat at Pisces Rising and watch the sunset over Lake Dora. Foodies and local experts will love the nearby dining scene. Grab a delicious meal at Rodello's, enjoy favorites like Ramshackle Cafe, or spend a slow morning strolling through the Leesburg Farmers Market. From local restaurants to small shops and everyday essentials, everything you need is close to home. Plus, Cedar Landings offers no down payment financing options. Our in-house financing team will walk you through all the ways we can help you get into a brand new home with confidence. If you're searching for a community that blends comfort, style, conveniences, and value, Cedar Landings Townhomes is the perfect place to start your next chapter. Join our list today to be among the first to choose your home site at the best price in this brand new, exciting community. We can't wait to help you call Cedar Landings home.